If you've been searching for that perfect family home in a desirable school district, this one is a showstopper.
Hi, I'm Daphne from Helen's team, and this is my partner Helen, showcasing stunning listings in the region of Waterloo and Wellington County.
I was totally taken by the gorgeous aggregate front walk and the double front door entry.
And I'm looking forward to showing off the upgraded kitchen with my favorite, granite countertops.
Warm tones introduce a perfect touch of energy and personality upon entry. The kitchen is fully upgraded with sleek granite countertops, undermount lighting, a stone backsplash, and an oversized newer refrigerator. A wide open floor plan and gorgeous stone feature wall fireplace enhance this already brilliant space. The main floor also features a laundry room, inside entry from the oversized double-car garage, and an upgraded two-piece powder room. The upper level has 3 sizable bedrooms with large closets, but let's talk about the luxurious primary suite. It boasts a large walk-in closet and a 5-piece ensuite. The main bathroom is perfect for a growing family with a deep tub and ample storage. The lower level has another full bathroom with ensuite privilege to the large bedroom and a fantastic rec room with a fireplace and new luxury vinyl floors. Outside, the upgrades continue with a wide cement path to the vinyl shed, a gazebo, and a raised veggie garden. Located close to fantastic schools, fun parks and playgrounds, the walking trails of the Grand River, Lackner Woods Natural Area, and just a short drive to Guelph, Cambridge, Chicopee Ski Club, and only 10 minutes to the 401.
Book a showing today for this stunner of a home because this house isn't mine and it should be yours.